thing we're gonna do is grab a pencil and write our first name, our last name, and our group number, and then circle it. Put that there so it focuses on the back. Then flip it over so your name's on the back, and then we can get started. Today we're going to be painting a watermelon. Whenever we're painting, you get a brush and we swipe. We never tap, because tapping gets water everywhere. We swipe once, just once, not 3 times once. Then we're gonna go, oh goodness, we're gonna go over to our red, and we're gonna swirl. Now, I don't have any paint at the bottom here, but I do have paint along the sides, so I'm gonna swirl along the sides on that paint, okay? Once I get red paint on my paper, I'm going to paint a half circle. This half circle is going to be my watermelon. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to keep getting more paint and coloring in my watermelon. Every time I go get more paint, bring me the bag. You can get it at the end of class. Every time I go get more paint, I also get more water on my brush. Once I have my red half circle done, I'm going to clean my brush, bring it over to the purple, swirl a few times in the purple, and I'm going to put some purple on the bottom of my watermelon. This is going to add a shadow and make it look like it's just a little bit darker red along the bottom. See how the bottom is a little darker than the top? That's because I've added just a little bit of purple on top of that red. Not below the red, but on top of the red I added purple. And then I'm going to wash my brush really good and go get my green. Swirling on the paint, and I'm going to go to the side, press down, and paint a green. This is like the rind or outside skin of the watermelon. Alright, if it's too light, go back, swirl a few more times on your green, and put it on there. Then I'm going to clean my brush, go get blue, and make a shadow on this. Just like we did with the red, we put purple, we're going to put blue on the outside. So we're painting on top of the green with blue, but only on the outside. We've left the inside green, so it looks like it's half green, half blue. Then I'm going to wash my brush. Now, we're not going to do watermelon seeds yet. I want this to dry before I do watermelon seeds. So I'm going to start doing my background. And I can do a few pieces of grass. I'm just barely pressing on my brush. Doing some grass here. Then I'm going to go back and get some blue and do a little puddle of water, like maybe it's sitting in some water. Then I'm going to go back and get some yellow and do a sun. You know what, I'm going to do a sun right here. In the picture I did one in the corner, but I'm going to do one coming right above that watermelon. I'm going to add some orange to it. Maybe some orange lines. And you could add something like a flower if you wanted, a bird. So you get to design the background how you want. Once we've done that and all the background's done, we're going to go back and get some black. And we're going to do some watermelon seeds. We're just basically setting the brush down and making a little dot. Then if you want, I put little sunglasses on my watermelon. If you want, you could do that too. You're going to start by doing a circle, and another circle, and then you connect in the middle, do a little corner there. And there we go. We've got our watermelon wearing sunglasses. Maybe I'll do a little mouth. Sitting on some grass and some water.